So why do people say that your research before a hair transplant is essential? You should not go ahead for a hair transplant without doing adequate research. Because these captivating platforms, YouTube, Instagram, are full of results, the best results that the clinics have to show. Innumerable transformations are showcased shortly after hair transplant, after 6 months, after 1 year, much before genetics catches up with your hair transplant. And that is what we do not understand. A hair transplant done solely as a hair transplant procedure is not in your best interests. You have to rein in the genetics. And this is the point that I keep harping on time and again in all my talks with you. It is very easy to get a result at 6 months mark, but to sustain the result for 5 years, 10 years is a much more daunting task. And if a result cannot be sustained for this long, well, in that case, you are not fit for a hair transplant. A result which vanishes like morning dew is not what you were looking for. You are looking for a long-lasting result, a result that is sustainable, and an outcome that does not take away from the majesty of the initial result. Am I wrong? Since you want to sustain the magic of your first hair transplant result, and if your baldness is progressive, and usually it is when you're young, you're starting off on the hair transplant journey at a young age, you need to have a holistic approach. Your doctor has to have a holistic approach to your baldness, keeping genetics at bay, preserving your native thinning hair, and keeping your hair transplant lush as it was at 6 months. Because though they might say that hair transplants are permanent, there is nothing in this body that will last. So in this patient who came to us with diffuse pattern alopecia, we treated him, made his baldness stable, strengthened his donor area, and then took him up for hair transplant. And you can see after 8 years, the magic is still sustained. The magic of a head full of hair when you compare him to his pre-operative pictures. So that is the message, a brief message again with today's video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because that keeps my channel going. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Have a nice day.